They are not gods, they are devatas. Paradaivatena. They are created beings, but very much empowered by Lord Krishna for the management in this material creation. They supply, not independently, but under the order of Krishna. So, if our small nation like India has how many, there may be only one prime minister, but how many ministers are there? Alright? Then how many assistants and the ministry department is there? They are carrying out so many functions. So what about the one earth? What about the whole cosmic manifestation? So don't be surprised. We have very few, because our planetary system is small. We have very few demigods in that consideration. Others are big, big universes. Just like one Brahma. Our Brahma has 4 heads. But Krishna ordered so many Brahmas from other universes to come, and they all fell at feet with thousands of heads.